What if your next computer wasn't a phone, tablet, or laptop, but a headset you control with your eyes, hands, and voice? That's exactly what Samsung is betting on with its new Galaxy XR, which is all powered by Gemini AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Samsung's much-awaited entry into spatial computing has landed, and the Galaxy XR headset is a sleek AI-powered device, Samsung's answer to Apple's Vision Pro, but with a few key differences. While the company teased partnerships with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster for smart glasses, but the actual glasses weren't part of the unveiling. Samsung VP Drew Blackard confirmed they're coming soon, but not before the end of the year. He hinted that this XR is just a first splash of paint in a bigger picture. He said you could call today a tease, and it comes at $17.99, nearly half the price of the Vision Pro, and lighter by at least 65 grams. The Galaxy XR brings more than just hardware to the table. It brings Gemini AI, fully integrated into the OS. Unlike Apple's Vision Pro, which still leans heavily on traditional app interactions, Samsung's headset enables eye, voice, and gesture control powered by AI that lives at the system level. That means users can use complex interfaces naturally without waiting for third-party developers to add AI features. From gaming tips to Google Maps guidance, Gemini responds to what you see, say, or do in real time. It's built through a tight-knit collaboration between Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm. With Samsung leads on industrial design, Qualcomm supplies the processing muscle, and Google delivers the AI brains. Samsung's own Galaxy AI is noticeably absent from the headset. Why? According to Blackard, Gemini is simply the better tool for the job. And in XR, function wins over brand. The XR headset is available now in the US and Korea. So are you gonna get it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.